when you do any kind of physical activity. It can be any sport, it can be baseball, it can be volleyball, it can be football, any kind of sport, and how it will affect you in school. My name is Cariela Cabrera. My topic is physical health, and my hypothesis is that doing any kind of physical activity will help you reduce stress and develop better concentration. In my literature review, I mentioned 5 important points. The first one was made by Albrecht and Kohler in their book Consequences of Physical Health and Mental Illness Risks in Academic Achievement in Grades K-12. They said that it was very important to investigate health problems and the relation that it had with education. The second point was made in an article called Is Physical Fitness Raising Grades? There, it mentions a study made by the California Department of Education where they proved that students that have better grades have better physical health, while the students that have lower grades don't do any kind of physical activities. The third point was made by Blum, Alvar, Sang, and Kolba in a research where they said that physical health helps students have better grades, but it also depends on the characteristics of each student. The fourth point was made by Salis and other researchers in a project called Project START, in which they proved that schools that prioritize physical health had better school achievement. The fifth and final point was made in an article called Scoring Good Grades by Norlander Britt, in which he said that learning to focus on sports could help you develop better concentration. So I could prove my hypothesis. I made a survey that consisted of 5 questions related to my topic. I also asked the gender, what did they course, if it was high school or university, and their age. This was asked to 60 students from Tecnológico de Monterrey. We had different results depending on each question. When we asked the students if they thought that doing any kind of sports helped them develop better concentration, 51 of them said yes, while the other 9 said no. Finally, for the discussion and the conclusion. The hypothesis that physical activities help us lessen stress and develop better concentration was proven true. Based on the results, a majority of the students know that physical activities help us have better school achievement, while the minority of the people don't think so. Also, many think that we can develop better concentration by doing sports, especially running. This proves what Nolan said, that learning to focus in